You're serious on working here on something? Eight of Pentacles energy. You're showing a lot of effort here. And I'm seeing na talagang nakafocus, no? Ang yung isip, no? Naka-align rito sa intention na gusto mong mangyari. And with that fire in there, there's a lot of um, moving forward, no? Sa'yo rito. Like, tinutuloy mo ito, no? Itong pagwe-work dito sa isang sitwasyon na 'to, no? Pero dahil malapit yung fire sa'yo, mainit, no? Parang this is something here na, parang hindi ka gano'n kakomportable, okay? Because, my attention was being drawn with that flame. 'Di ba 'pag malapit tayo sa apoy 'pag nagluluto tayo ang init 'no, minsan lumalayo tayo dun sa ano 'no, kapagka hindi pa ready na haluin yung niluluto natin, parang gano'n 'no. And this is you, you feel like you're not really comfortable sa 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 wini-work on mo. So parang buo yung loob mo, but at the same time, you find it really challenging. Let's see. Because I do sense na parang you're tired, pero you keep on moving. Pagod ka sa sitwasyon or may mga specific na situations kang dinidil, pero you keep on working on it. Even though you find yourself na uncomfortable. Let's see what's really happening here. And what is this all about? Okay. Okay. So, have you ever felt that type of resistance na you tried to fix things or you fix situation right here but parang hindi ito umaayon sa gusto mo ritong mangyari. Parang ilang beses mong inaayos, sinusubukang isalba ang something here. It could be anything, okay? So just take how this resonates. But if this is you, you feel like you're fighting here for something that you want. But it looks like nothing is working in your favor. So if that's what you're feeling, I think this reading is for you, babe. Okay, let me keep this going bago natin ituloy ang ating, yeah, sun. Right at the heart of this reading right here. Okay. Excuse me. The angels and guides, nagpapakita sila sa akin, no, ng universe, ng galaxy. No? So it looks like there is something here that the universe wants you to know. Universe wants you to know that they are interfering or sumasali rito sa sitwasyon na to sa buhay mo because there's something here that they want you to know. Star. Yeah. Six of Swords, Strength card, and the Four of Wands energy. Let me just fix my phone. Okay. Okay. So, Hi and hello there, collective. Thank you po sa inyong walang sawang pagsuporta sa akin dito sa channel na to. At sa mga bagong subscribers, hello po sa inyong lahat. Ako po si Yan, welcome. At sa mga pabalik-balik ko pong mga viewers, maraming thank you po sa inyong walang sawang pag-support. So yun nga, kung interesado kayo na tumambay rin dun sa doll meme, ang link po is down below. No? So collective readings po ang meron din tayo done. So, yun nga, no, wala tayo ditong gender, bae, lalaki, LGBT, lahat kayo welcome. You can flip roles if you want, of course, you can do that. And at the end of the day, you always have your free will. And free ka rin na gamitin yun, syempre naman. So, dito nakikita ko that with this Five of Cups energy, Seven of Wands, Tower. Hmm. Ito ka na nandito ka sa ganitong klase ng sitwasyon na ang hirap pero pilit kang lumalaban. And nakikita ko dito na may mga bagay na nasisira, na pilit mong inaayos. But it looks like even though you keep on trying to fix that situation, actually, those situations, no, so pwedeng higit sa isa yung dinidil mo rito na situations na gusto mong ayusin sa life mo. It looks like hindi mo ito maayos-ayos. May mga sitwasyon sa buhay mo na nasira na gusto mo sanang ibalik sa dati, manumbalik sa kung paano ito noon. Pwedeng ito ay connection, relasyon with people. Pwede rin naman na love life ito. Pwede rin naman na may kinalaman sa personal na buhay mo. But it looks like, even though you keep on trying and trying, you're showing here a lot of effort to fix that thing. Bakit ganun? Parang hindi ko naayos. Bakit laging nag end up pa rin na nasisira at nagfe-failed ako? Yan. I think if this is your reading right here with the sun, right at the center, aligning with the star, I do see that this reading is about God's plan for your life, God's plan versus your plan for your life. So who will prevail? Is it the universe plan for you or God's plan? The divine's plan? The higher power's plan for your life? Or your plan para sa buhay mo? We do all know that we are human beings guided by the unseen forces. At yun nga yung higher power. Angels and guides, spirit guides, in the highest above God or universe. So nakita ko dito na may mga bagay na sobrang iniiyakan mo, sobrang resentment, nakakaramdam ka ng matinding regret, may mga bagay na nasira rito, others of you, you're blaming here yourself, kung ba't nasira yung mga yon, bagay man yan, relasyon, no? But, you know, alam mo kung bakit hindi naayos, hindi nanunumbalik sa dati, dahil tapos na ang sitwasyon na yun. The universe is trying all of his or her might para hindi na ito muling maayos. Bakit mas yan? That thing na inaayos ko, yung gusto kong ayusin dito, yun yung nagpapasaya sa akin. Ara, I know. So, whatever the case may be, nakikita ko rito na, oo, nagpapasaya yun sa'yo. But at the same time, look at yourself. You're so frustrated. Isn't it the things that nagpapasaya sa mga human beings ay hindi dapat yung bagay na nagpapalungkot at naghihila sa kanila pababa? Yeah, you have this inner knowing in you that you have the control here in your life. Yes. But you need to understand na merong higher power, merong universe, merong God na nagko-control sa ating life as well. You just need to trust the divine. Because if those things that you're trying to fix right here are those things na nagpapasaya sa'yo, then I must say, universe or God has this bigger plan than you have for yourself. You try to hold on to things because that makes you happy. A lot of sentimental, a lot of um, a lot of nilalabanan mo yung mga bagay na gusto mong mangyari for your own life and hindi na ayos kasi hindi na meant to be na maayos. Yes, yan yung bagay na nagpapasaya sa'yo, ano man yan. Pero tapos na yung role niyan sa buhay mo. Kumbaga, sa mga gamit, expired na. Kung ano man yung bagay na yan. Kailangan na ng bago. At dito sa bagong paparating sa'yo, or another ruta na gustong daanan mo ni universe, no, ay yung bagay na higit or mas magpapasaya sa'yo. Hindi mo naiintindihan sapagkat Nine of Swords energy, Two of Swords right here, and there's this Tower. Hindi mo naiintindihan. Dahil you are overwhelmed sa emotions and feelings mo. You're not letting go of those things kasi na-experience mo na eh. Alam mo na yung pakiramdam. Oo, ito nga yung bagay na nagpapastress sa akin minsan, nagpapalungkot sa akin minsan. Pero ito yung bagay na nagpapasaya at nagbibigay buhay sa akin. I know. Pero may paparating na higit na mas magbibigay ng buhay sa'yo. Doble at higit pa sa sapat ang nakikita ko rito na kasiyahan na mararamdaman mo. Doble sa kung paano mo i-describe yung happiness na nararamdaman mo sa mga bagay na ayaw mong bitiwan. Huwag mong paglabanan, universe is saying, Five of Swords energy, Eight of Wands. Huwag mong paglabanan rito mga babes, no, ang tadhana. Kasi kung ano yung gusto nilang dalhin sa buhay mo, kaya winawas-iwas nila rito yung mga bagay na posibleng magbalik dyan sa bagay na gusto mong mangyari ulit sa buhay mo. Kaya yan ay parang hinahadlangan nila. Kasi hindi yan yung bagay na deserve mo. May mas malaking plano ang Panginoon, ang universe sa buhay mo. God's plan is something here that you cannot stop. But this is what you deserve. Sometimes, when we are happy, di ba? Kagaya ng isang child, kapag ka dinala mo siya sa isang playground, no? Laro siya ng laro, no? Pero pag hapon at kailangan nung umuwi, no? Halika na, uwi na tayo kasi gabi na, oh. And then the child will definitely say, ayoko pa, gusto ko pa dito kasi ang saya rito sa playground, eh. Yan. And that is what human beings like. Para tayong yung bata na yun. Dahil naranasan natin, uy, saya dito. Ayaw na nating umalis. Ayaw na nating umuwi. Diba? But we need to understand that things ay kailangan mag-fall apart for us to be able to see that there are something here better waiting for us. And if this is a relationship you're trying to save, but you keep on failing saving it, because there's a reason. There's a reason for everything. Nothing happens na coincident lang. Everything happens for a reason. The moment you were born, your parents, your siblings, lahat ng yan pre-written already. And you need to align yourself for you to be able to experience this genuine happiness, the sun. That is what the universe is giving you. Six of Coins energy. This is a wish fulfillment here, sweetheart. This is the love that you've been craving for. This is the type of job that you've been dreaming of. Maybe you do not know kung saan ka talaga papunta. Pagdating sa job, hindi mo alam kung ano yung gusto mong gawin sa buhay mo. Okay na ako rito, kontento na ako, masaya na ako rito, but there's bigger plan here for your job, for your career, if that's your situation. You will be heading to that dream job, dream career. Eh, hindi mo na kailangan ritong mapagod. Pagigising ka sa umaga, pagod ka na, hindi mo mararanasan yun. You're too excited kahit na gabi pa lang. You're excited to go to work na. And that is something here na hindi mo pa na-experience ever before sa iyong mga past works or jobs. If this is a related naman sa business mo, your business that you're trying to save keeps on failing right here because you're meant na magtayo ng isang business na talagang well-suited for you. Well-suited sa energy mo. You're meant na itayo yung business rito na talagang mag-sustain na, no? Magiging source ng iyong income. And you will feel so excited to always go and to always give your time to that business dedication because you're too inspired. And if it is a love situation right here, your relationship with your person who is toxic, narcissistic, there's something wrong, sending you mixed signals right here, red flags. Bakit nagfe-failed nang nagfe-failed? Nasasaktan ka even though siya rin yung source ng happiness mo. You think, is that someone you deserve? No. Things keeps on falling apart. Kasi there's someone better coming for you. There's someone new coming to enter your life. And that person will bring double happiness in your life. That person will not cause you headache. That person will not let you think that you are being neglected. Hindi niya hahayaan na isipin mo yung mga bagay na hindi nagbibigay ng nagdadala ng hindi ka komportable sa sitwasyon. Ayaw mo ba ng ganong klase ng relasyon? Na nasa kanya na yung lahat. Malayong malayo dun sa tao na, oo nga, masaya ka kasama yun. Pero hindi ka panatag dahil alam mo na may mga behaviors at may mga galawan siya rito hindi niya mabago-bago. At alam mo na may mga sitwasyon rito na hindi ka tuluyang nagtitiwala sa kanya. Pero nagsistay ka sa relationship. Bakit? Kasi mahal mo siya. You are in unhealthy relationship. And that is what the universe thinks na hindi mo deserve. Because you deserve extreme happiness. The sun is right here. And that is your tadhana. It is aligned by the star. The sun and the star is clearly present here in this reading. You need to understand that things need to be broken, needs to break for us to be able to see that we deserve more. So I think here, nahihirapan ka mag-adjust because you're sad. Baka pag pinakawalan ko to miss yan, hindi na ako maging masaya ulit. No. You will be so happy. Yung totoong happiness na hindi mo kailangang alalahanin at mag-alala sa mga bagay-bagay na dati mong inaalala kapag naka-hold on ka sa mga bagay na tingin mo nagpapasaya sa'yo. Pero yung mga bagay na nagpapasaya sa'yo na ayaw mong bitiwan, lagi yang may pero, lagi yang may but, no? Pero dito sa paparating sa'yo, kung saan ka dinadala ng tadhana mo ni universe dito, no? Masaya dyan. At hindi kailangan ng pero, hindi kailangan ng but. You need to align yourself to the universe plan for your life. God's plan is bigger than yours. I know that you want happiness. I know that you've been craving for happiness, and that's where the universe wants you to go. Six of Swords energy, strength card right here, and there's this presence of Four of Wands energy. Ang apat na sulok, ang apat na kanto, ay indikasyon ng matibay na pundasyon ng anumang gusto mong buuhin or makamit sa buhay mo. Matibay na pundasyon sa trabaho, kung trabaho yan. Matibay na pundasyon sa negosyo, kung negosyo yan. Matibay na pundasyon sa relasyon, kung love life yan. All of those things. Kahit na dalawa dun, tatlo dun, lahat yun yung bagay kung saan gusto ni universe ma-experience mo. Diba? And that is what the universe is giving you. That's why they're sending you a lot of messages that, okay, you need to stop this fight. You need to let go and let God. Okay? Don't try to fix yung bagay na sirang-sira na. At paulit-ulit kang nagpe-failed kahit na paulit-ulit mo ring inaayos yon kasi hindi ka para dyan. You are meant for something more. You are meant for someone far more na better sa yung ex-person or sa person na nilalaban mo. Okay? Do not hesitate to let go. Because in letting go, your blinds no ay unti-unting matatanggal sa mga mata mo. At unti-unti mong makikita no yung mga bagay na deserve mo. Yung deserve mo talaga. Okay? So, may rason ang bawat pangyayari sa buhay ng tao. Ang pinaka dapat mo ritong intindihin at maunawaan ay merong mas magandang plano. Kaya hindi nagwo-work yung mga plano na ginagawa mo sapagkat hindi yan yung nararapat para sa'yo. Pag sinubukan mong mag-let go, makikita mo 8 of Wands energy, the Star. Makikita mo yung mga bagay na sobrang magpapaligaya ng puso mo. And I guarantee you that once you let go, you start to see these things unfold in your life. Okay? So, ito yung ating message right here. Very motivational and inspiring. Okay? May mga laban na kailangan natin isuko para manalo tayo. Okay? So, thank you so much for your time, babes, and sarang heyo, love and light. Annyeong!